Hello there, this is me Abdul Alim, and in this tutorial I'm gonna share with you how to install WordPress in your website using cPanel. Okay, so let's see. This is my website. This is totally blank and any CMS not installed in this website. That's why look like this. Okay, look at that. The domain name is lawfirmads.com. Okay, I will totally change this structure to uh, installing the WordPress. Okay, so first of all we need to go our cPanel. That's why I have logged in my cPanel dashboard. This is my cPanel dashboard. So now we have to go the WordPress manager by Softaculous. So click on here and then look at that. Here already I have installed a WordPress in another domain. So I will install domain in this website, in this domain. Okay, so let's see. Now we have to click on install, and then first of all we have to make sure our main domain is selected. Okay, so I will install WordPress in this website lawfirmads.com. Look at that, the website already selected. Okay, now we have to change. I want to change my site name. Okay, so law firm ads already selected, and then I will copy it. Then I will change the site description also. So already I have changed site name and site description. It's optional. You will change later. Okay, no problem. And then we have to set an username, and we have to set an on password. Okay, so I will set a password. Okay, it's hide. Now I'm gonna set this password. It's totally strong password already. Okay, now we have to change the admin email. Okay, I will change this email. It's my main mail. That's why I'm already selecting this. Okay, now I will check again it's okay or not. Okay, look at that, the domain already selected, and site name and site description already changed, and admin username and admin password already changed, and admin email also correct. Okay, now here is another option, select plugin, manage the plugin. Okay, I don't want this type of plugin. That's why I want to uncheck both. Okay, all the plugin. Okay, now scroll down and click on install, and look at that, checking the submitted data. That means it's installing. And look at that, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. That means the WordPress has been installed in the website. So if I'm gonna refresh the website, then look at that, already it's installed. And if I'm gonna go the this admin dashboard, then click on this second link. Okay, lawfirm.com /wp-admin. Okay, if I'm gonna click on this, then look at that, it automatically redirecting in the our website admin dashboard.